Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about ATA price prediction. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. We're gonna start with the ATA per BUSD. As you can see in here is on using daily chart. There is a 2 moving average. First of all, this is the moving average 7 on the 0.797 US dollar. The pink one side here is a moving average 25 on the 0.6488 US dollar. Right, so this is trying to push it go down to the yellow one first, and if it's go down, and then it will try to bounce back again, right? But if it have the big volume and try to go to this one 2.0218, then it will try to make the other move to like 2.2 or 2.3, right, for the ATA. But if not, then it will be a correction like 2 or 3 days to the yellow one this first or the pink one side here, right? The next one we're gonna see on the RSI stochastic is already overbought zone, and the next one we're gonna see on the Bollinger Band already try to go to the upper band here. The upper band or the yellow one here is at 1.2972 US dollar. Next one we're gonna see on the pink side here. The pink side is middle band on 0.6843 US dollar, this one, and the purple one here is a lower band on the 0.0713 US dollar right here. For the upper band here, there's already go down and try to close this one, close this gap and go to the pink one. If you want to entry, you can entry on the pink one side here or midden between the pink one and the yellow one. Okay, next move is the 4-hour chart. For the 4-hour chart is already trying to the pink one side here, middle band on the 1.0469 US dollar right here, this position. But for the yellow one here, upper band, if they can go up again, make a rebound, then it will try to go to the upper band on the 1.8433 US dollar right here. Next move is we're gonna see on the moving average is already down, go to the below the moving average 7 on the 1.3804 US dollar, but it's okay. They are trying to close the gap again, go to the pink one side here, moving average 25 on the 0.9873 US dollar. Then you can enter the market on this position, this pink one side here or the purple one, but I think the purple one is a little bit hard for the moving average 99 on the 0.678 US dollar. For the RSI stochastic is on the overbought position, trying to go to the neutral position right here. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question, just let me know, put your comment below. And if you want to know more about the other cryptocurrency, you can also check on my playlist. The name is cryptocurrency. Thank you everyone, have a nice day, bye bye.